Okay.
Sir, I am District President Sunny. You are most welcome, Jindiki, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Sir, I am the chairman of this project. Kudumba Suraksha project. Carry on, yeah, right.
Yes.
Sir, let us go to the venue, sir. ഇവിടെ
You lead.
Okay.
Who is the local?
A very warm welcome to each one of you as we gather here today for a momentous occasion, the inauguration of the Karunya Kudumba Suraksha project. This initiative marks a significant step towards fostering the well-being and safety of our community. We are honored to have esteemed guests, dignitaries and all the wonderful members of our community present here. Today, we embark on a journey dedicated to the protection and support of our families through the Karunya Kudumba Suraksha project. This project has been conceived with the vision to create a secure and nourishing environment for every household. It reflects our commitment to the welfare of our community members, ensuring that they have the necessary support and resources for a better quality of life. I would like to extend our gratitude to all those who have worked tirelessly to bring this project to fruition. Your dedication and efforts have paved the way for a brighter and safer future for our community. As now we are getting started with the formal function, may I request everyone to please rise as we honor our nation with the singing of the national anthem.
Jana Gana Mana Adhinayaka Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Uttara Banga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchchala Jaladhi Taranga Tava Shubha Name Jage तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
In a gesture of unity and respect, I am honored to invite the current office bearers of KVVES Thodupuzha chapter to join us on stage for a special presentation. I kindly welcome the President Sri Ajay Purushothaman, Sri Saji Paul, the General Secretary, Sri Benny Ilimotal, the President of Karunya Welfare Project, and Advocate P.S. Mohandas, the President of Thodupuzha Merchant Trust Hall. These esteemed individuals will have the honor of presenting a collective flower garland to His Excellency Arif Mohammad Khan, the esteemed Governor of Kerala. This symbolizes the harmony and collaboration within our community and the deep appreciation for His Excellency's presence. May I kindly request the mentioned office bearers to come forward for this meaningful presentation. May I invite Mr. Vinod Keon, the working president of KVVS, to welcome the gallery.
Honorable Governor of Kerala, Sri Arif Muhammad Khanji, Chair of today's meeting, Sri Sunny Pembalil, our most beloved State President of Ekavana Samiti, Sri Raju Apsara, Ekavana Samiti District General Secretary, Sri Najib Latavarambil, Ekavana Samiti District Treasurer, Sri R. Ramesh, Chairman of Idukki District Traders Welfare Society, Sri C.P. Kollamudi, my esteemed colleagues of Ekavana Samiti who assembled here, a very